Hi, good morning. Hope all of you are doing well. So, today we are going to discuss or we are going to talk about the lipid profile test. And what is lipid profile test? What is the importance of this test? Okay, why it is to be repeated after 6 months or 1 year? Uh, the reason is that the diet that we are taking, is rich with fats. So these fats, when enters into in our blood, specific cholesterol, so it deposit in the internal lumen of the blood vessels. And with this cholesterol or fats, calcium is also deposited there, due to which the plaque is made inside the lumen of the blood vessel. So there is a trouble in the blood flow, proper blood flow of the blood. Why? Because the blood flow is to be prevented by the plaque, and the blood cannot flow in a smooth way. It may sometime block the blood vessel, specifically it sometime block the coronary artery. Now, what is coronary artery? Coronary artery is the artery that transport the oxygen blood to the muscles of the heart. So if there is a blockage in the coronary artery, so the person may have the cardio problem. So this test tells you the health of your blood vessel. It also tells you the health of your heart, either your heart is working well or not. Because if you are having the blood pressure problem, this problem is also caused by the little blockage. It's also find that as the age is going, so due to which the there is a elasticity. The elasticity of the blood vessel is decreased, and it may also cause the blockage. So the blockage is because of the plaque or because of the cholesterol. Okay, and there are also some good cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. So this test will tells you that either you are having good cholesterol in how much quantity, and bad cholesterol in how much quantity, and TG, triglyceride. This triglyceride is having a very bad effects on your blood vessels. So if you come to know in the beginning that you are having a little blockage, so it can be prevented by using some natural way. Specifically, you can control your diet and do exercise regularly, so it can be removed. So hope you are going to just have this test after 6 months or 1 year, so that you could know the health of your blood vessels and your heart. Hope it will be beneficial for you. Have a good day. Bye.